Hi everyone, and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at this ultimate cleaning gadget, the stick vacuum cleaner with a smart touch screen in multiple modes. First, let's see what is inside this box. It comes with a user manual that shows you the step-by-step detail on how to set up this vacuum stick. I'm not going to be mentioning everything that comes with this package, but everything to set up the vacuum stick is in this box. And next everyone, this is the vacuum cup. One amazing feature about this vacuum cup is that it has 8 filtration systems that separate both fine and coarse dust, and the suctioning power is incredible. And I'm going to show you how to set this up. And here is the battery. This is going to go into the battery circuit to power it up, and you can use it anywhere and anytime so long as it is powered up. Alright, this is everything inside the box, and next I'm going to set up this vacuum stick. Next is to insert the battery in the charging circuit and power it up. If you see the light indicator, it shows that it is powering up for some serious suction power. So here it is everyone, it is fully powered up, and I just inserted it on the vacuum stick, and you can swipe to select your mode. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust or crumbs, this vacuum has a mode for every mess. The suction power is impressive, and it is easy to maneuver around furniture. It is so lightweight that I can easily glide from one point of my room to another. You can also switch the nozzle to reach every corner of your room to sweep dust and crumbs. Since this is a battery powered vacuum, you can use it anytime and anywhere so long as it is fully charged up. You can use it to dust off your car like I am doing right here, or take it to your office to dust your office. It is very handy and versatile. I have dropped the link to purchasing this product on the video description, and if you apply the discount code shown on this video, you will get 10% off your purchase. Also know that this code is valid for 15 days. And also, if you have any question regarding today's video, kindly drop them on the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share to your friends and families, and finally subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thank you so much again for watching, and see you again next time. Bye.